Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pay with Klarna for IKEA purchases. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to Google and type in IKEA.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to IKEA if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the bottom left, we have the shopping, favorite products, gift registry, your account, and the search bar on the top. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and pay with Klarna for IKEA purchases. So of course, yes, you can pay for IKEA purchases using Klarna. Klarna partners with IKEA and allows you to choose Klarna as your payment method directly on the IKEA website. You can use Klarna to pay for the IKEA items in the UK by adding them to your cart, selecting Klarna at checkout, providing your information, and getting approval for the payment plan. So basically, you need to go and click on anything that you want to buy, for instance, a decoration. Click on the decoration, of course, go to checkout, and there you need to select Klarna as your payment option. Of course, before that, you just need to go and create your Klarna card and, of course, have an account there. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, until then, as always, bye guys.